after Cameron, it's me. It's my turn, it's my turn, it's my turn, it's my
Mitch,
turn.
then me, Mitch, then me.
I miss every single time now.
My hands are all wet. It smells horrible. Ew. It smells like orange.
Oh, Cameron, get me, get
What is
me.
this?
Cameron, get me, get me.
No, it's my turn now. It's my turn.
Oh my goodness.
Go. Mega whiff.
No, that's too. Okay.
Wow.
Put it back, hurry.
Oh,
Caleb's
yeah,
turn.
that thing can't even stand up anymore.
Put it back.
Put it.
Let Caleb go, let Caleb go.
Mitch, get out of the way.
Ah!
Caleb, you hit me with something. Okay, I'm going. Some footage. Look at the bottom. Ew.
Let her.
Take it.
Okay, it's Cameron's turn.
Take it.
Okay, I'm after Cameron.
Yeah, and then it's me.
I need a new whip.
Yeah, the end of your whip hit me. Step back.
Oh! Swing and a miss.
Nice.
Whipped it.
Look at this big.
It's my turn, it's my
I'm
turn.
gonna hit it with the end.
No, it's my turn, Spencer.
Mitch has whipped every time.
Mitch! Yeah!
Bro, I whipped so hard.
Alright, we gotta pluck a new one.
How is it? How do you hit it? I have to aim.
I don't even aim. I just run forward and whip hard. That last one hurt my arm.
Barely stand up now. Caleb, you need to document this.
Document it.
Go. Oh!
Oh, she's open. She's open.
No, I don't think so yet. I'm up. Oh no, it is Caleb. It's Caleb. It's Caleb.
That does smell.
Yeah, put it on the top. Put it on the top.
Ew, it's getting on me. That's disgusting.
Flip it over and put it on the top. It smells gross.
Okay, everybody move.
All right,
Everybody
Caleb.
move.
That was weak.
That's the top. That's the top.
Take it.
Okay, I'm missing after Cameron. How about we just hit it and if you whip it, then you can hit it again.
Oh, that was a
I
crap.
got him with the backhand.
Okay, it's my turn, it's
Put it
my
back, put
turn.
it back, put it back.
After this, we should just go crazy and I'll go for it.
No,
we're gonna end up whipping each
no,
other.
we all take, we need to be civilized.
Wait.
You literally.
Just
Oh,
until you
stop.
hit it. This is embarrassing.
Oh my god.
There we go.
I don't see how.
How are you so bad?
I think most of the damage is coming from merely just hitting it off the table.
Probably is.
After this, guys, after we all go again, I'm gonna chuck it up. And
Okay,
then,
but after you hit it, if you miss it, you can hit it again.
Yeah, you just keep going.
alright, I'm up.
Is it time to just beat it?
No. After I go, we're just gonna throw it up on the. Put it back.
I say we just like
Put it
the
back.
ball.
Whoa!
Actually, I don't know.
Ashley, watch out!
That is
No, don't!
It's fizzing.
Start.
It's shooting.
And then
Now! I got it.
Caleb, get your whip.
No, throw it. Ah, give it to me.
Oh my gosh.
I got whipped in the eye. It sprayed me in the eye.
Oh, and
It shot everywhere. Oh my god.
I got it. Oh my goodness.
It has holes. Throw it.
where is it?
Okay.
I like how it left
Someone
its
has to
mouth.
pick this up. It looks like acid.
I got.
My hand is covered in stick.
Alright, that's the YouTube video for the week. Like and subscribe, and make sure to come back next time I upload a video.